Hello guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is interpreter. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel. And friends, in upcoming videos, I will upload complete compiler design tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start our video. First one, what is interpreter? See, interpreter is a kind of translator. It is similar to compiler. See, this interpreter is similar to compiler, but difference is that source program which is in high level language is taken complete source code at once and translate it into machine code. See what compiler do is, see whatever the program which is entered by user, so all this program is, see the source code is in high level language. See whatever the source code which is entered by user, all this source code is taken by the computer and then convert it into low level language. But what interpreter do is, interpreter do not take all the source code at a time. It takes each line at a time. See, first it takes first line and then convert it into low level language. Similarly, this interpreter take second line and then convert it into low level language. See, difference is that compiler takes entire source code at a time, but interpreter takes each line at a time and convert it into low level language. See source program which is in high level language is taken complete source code at a time once and translate it into machine code, but whereas in interpreter takes each line and translate it into machine code and taking other line and translate it into machine code and so on. See, in this no source code is needed. See the structure. See, source is nothing but whatever program which we have entered is sent to the interpreter and then we get final result. See, this interpreter do not take all the code at a time, it takes each line at a time. This is known as interpreter. See, after taking all the program, direct execution occur. See, compiler languages are C, C++, C, C#, Java, which are, whereas interpreter languages are basic Python comes under interpreter languages. See, C, C++ comes under compiler languages. See, the process of interpretation can be carried out in following phases. 4 phases which are needed in order to carry this interpretation. First one is lexical analysis, second one is syntax analysis, and third one is semantic analysis. See, first program is sent into lexical analysis. After that, program is sent into syntax analysis. After analyzing the syntax, the program is sent into semantic analysis. After all these phases, our program get executed. This is the 4 phases which are used in interpreter. See, what are the advantages of interpreter? It is easy to implement and it is machine independent. See, it is this interpreter is easy to understand and easy to implement, and this is machine independent. That means it does not depend on machine. See, what are the disadvantages? Interpreters are slow and memory consumption is more. See, this interpreter is very slow when compared to compiler and it occupies more memory. I think you have understood what I have explained. And friends, in upcoming videos, I will upload complete compiler design tutorials. I will provide compiler design tutorials link in description. You can watch from there. Thank you.